Yes, 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 yes. Watch what going on here, Sean, people. It look like the war thing out to kick off right now, big time. Because Skeng I show a lot of bravery right about now. And that people are saying. So it's like him a jail massacre right now for fire the first shot. But I want to say if him brave enough, cause some people are saying yeah I'm brave, you know what I mean? But if him brave to me, he want to fire shot and no response. Because he must say him a the young sensation and I take him come for take over. So if you come for take over and a gimmicks thing not about it, you have a fire shot. And so you have to deal with it. You see me, you can't go around that. No joke shit in it. But here we are going right about now. Of the world, it's not a plan. That's what's going on, you know. Carefully, you know. A franchise. The chosen one. The 10-star general. I don't know it go already, you know. When I come to represent a full effecting man. I don't know it go when I load up. Aim, cranker, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, I don't know a loud explosion about you. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Your nation people. It's good. No, I don't know that. Ask one of close door, man. Your nation people. You know what the most electrifying man on YouTube is entertainment business. Watch. So watch what we're going right about now. We see say masicka and Skeng business are get serious and seriouser. So right now it look like I tease them and tease it up. So it look like them a tease up the internet first because them a tease up Instagram before them take it to the studio. And that I go on because I saw it look to me like I tease them a tease up Instagram before them take it to the studio. People, it look like looking from this shot soon start fire. And it look like name soon start call too. You see what I say? It look like I warm them a warm up. Because the last thing we see a Skeng and them friend of us, they are the swamp and I dare the crooks them for push out. You see what I say? Yeah, them they are the swamp and I dare the crooks them for push out. Me I say blood clot. It look like looking from this, you know. A loud explosion and go on, you know. Because here we are going. When the car hype up the things up on internet, you know. And then, you know, not give the people them well. Oh, no hype up about it, you know. That no joke thing not about it, you know. Yeah, the gimmicks thing not about it. You know, can't hype up the people them on the internet like that. And then, you know, at the end of the day, uno door come off the way. Oh, no hype to the people them. Because right about now, this thing gets serious. You see what I say? Because Skeng a dare the crooks them for push out of the swamp. Right now, the last post we see from the crooks them, The man them I said them not really clash dolly, man with pop Molly, nah crackhead or them thing there. Right now you know Skeng. I think it past posting on Instagram right about now. I think right now from you want the crooks them a certain type of way, you have to go push out right about now. You have to go call name. You see what I say? And disrespect people to the fullest because right now the local shades business now go on. I have to remember say in all fairness a masicka the bigger artist. You see what I say? Although you are one of the hottest artists on the ground in Jamaica right now. You see what I say? You still from you want the war and you're up for the challenge as a young brave youth. You have to go come out. You see what I say? And show them say well then. At this you are dealing. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. I will see Beanie Man, you know. Come out and I make you know say, you know. Him personally want the war thing, you know. But the way you have to deal with it, you know. We don't go just hype it up on the internet like that. I tune for tune on, you have a place where you go square it off. And him absolutely right. Because so we know the clash going, is what I say? Yeah. No joke shit not dead about it. Also dancehall clash go. There ain't no other way it can go. You don't have to go square it off somewhere else. So when some blogger I look for see it start for think he might have a field there with it, I think he might have an opinion or a say. Younger can chat or review about the diss song them or the diss track them, my brother. You see what I say? The winning business now got decide up to you know, until them money take it to the show personally where the fans them at the show can decide. You see what I say? Who win the lyrical battle on the stage. And that's the thing there. So right now we want to see it. You see what I did? I think that shit pass. I think that shit pass Instagram posting right about now. Somebody have to go step forward. And you see too, within all right, a masicka are the bigger artists. I think Skeng, and you have to go do it. You see what I deal with? Yeah. And you have to go do it. No joke shit not dead about it. You see what I deal with? Yes. You know a real talk me I make. You have to go push out if you want the big thing for sound right about now. That's how we see it, nation people. It can't go no other elsewhere. You see what I deal with? Yeah. You know what I mean? I have to remember to how me see it. It's like you are push the most fire Skeng. So if you are push fire and you're ready for blast off, no itching thing that they in it. You see what I say? So just drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. That's the thing can kick off. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing that they in it. Everybody wanna see it. Right now it pass internet, it pass Instagram posting to me. No joke shit not dead about it, you know what I mean? Yeah, I really want to represent. You know? We not really represent no form of lollipop way. This thing a blew up past posting on Instagram. Right now I think we don't do too much posts. You see what I say? Right now it's studio time. You see what I say? Yeah. Because remember I said the month them a fly off quick and fast and quick, you know. In no time, you know. And soon ready for sting time, you know. So right now start boil up the record them. You see what I say? From now. Start bubble up the record them from now. You see what I say? Yeah. Enough for that Instagram post there. No gimmicks thing that they in it. Start fix up the record them. right about now. And that we want here. Is what I say. So we can review and discuss. You know what I mean? Till the grand finale ready to kick off over Jam World. That's what I say. Yeah. We want to make the thing excellent. That's what I say. And not no joke way. You see me? Real way. You know what I mean? Yes. We sure do. We sure do want to make the thing excellent. You know what I mean? Yeah. Gaza way. Ain't no other way. 10 star. General. Oh.